Let's add a compostable to our Minecraft mod. If you want to go deeper, the 26.x modding courses are linked down below. 30 plus hours covering complex block entities with fluid and energy handling, custom mobs, custom networking, and even custom biomes and dimensions. Everything you need for 26.x all in one place, linked down below in the description. Alright, my friends, back and tell you once more, and in this quite short tutorial, we're going to be adding the seeds and our onion as compostables to our Minecraft mod. Now, luckily, NeoForge makes this incredibly easy once again with the data maps. Now, we've added the data maps here previously when we added the furnace fuel because, well, the furnace fuel uses the data map and the compostable also uses the data map. If you don't have this class yet because you didn't follow the furnace fuels, no worries at all. All of the code is linked down below. You basically just want to add the mod data map provider and then make it a new provider over here in your data gen class. That's pretty much it, and that is all we need. And then in the gather method, we call the builder method over here NeoForge data maps.compostables. We're going to add over here mod items.onion seeds.get ID, and then a new compostable with a 0.3% chance and a false on replace. And then we can just duplicate this to also get the onion itself. So this is going to be the onion, and that onion has a, I want to say 50% chance. Let's take a look. This would be this one right here. And those two compostables now added. If you wanted to know the vanilla values for compostables, that would be in the Compostable class. There we go. So just press shift twice, Compostable, and then down here in the bootstrap method, you can find, there we go. So you can see the seeds all have a 30% chance. And then when we get to, you know, pumpkins, they have 65, a cactus has 50. So I think 50 is totally fine over here. You can also increase it to 65 if you so choose to. But obviously, when it comes to the numbers, you can always, you always have the last idea on terms of balancing in this case. But yeah, having added this, right, and the data map provider over here is properly added, we can simply run data gen again to generate the JSON files for the compostables over here. And once that is generated, bada bing, bada boom, we can now jump into the game and compost some stuff. Alright, fans, we're back in Minecraft, and as you can see, the composter here works now with our seeds as well as the onions as well. And you can see that's just about 50% chance. Obviously, it is still random, so sometimes, sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. But there we go. That is the composting done over here for our seeds and the onion. Awesome. And that's gonna be it for this tutorial right here. Thank you so much for the patrons and the members on YouTube. Don't forget that if you join as a Stonebricks member on YouTube, you can get up to 14 days of early access, including this video right here. We'll add a custom bush. Hope to see you there. So, yeah.